Hello guys, I'm back again with another video. It's Frida and I talk about all things lifestyle, all things skincare, products reviews, so much more. If you're a new subscriber, hi girl, welcome. Please stick around. And if you're my OG, my MVP, you already know how I do it here. Just know that I have mad love for you. Thank you so much for sticking around and for taking me this far. It means a lot. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel because I will continue be giving you guys nice product reviews, products recommendation, lifestyle gist. I'm coming for you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you. So to the video of today, I will be talking about whitening face creams. Good whitening face creams. Good whitening face creams. That's what we're talking about. And I want you guys to listen attentively and know how to use these products well so that you don't damage your skin. By the way, they won't damage your skin. They are not harsh. Do you understand? They are not harsh products, no. But when it comes to skin whitening, you also still have to be wise about it. Okay. The first on my list is the Moon White face cream. Moon White face cream is very nice. I love it. It's actually a nice face cream and it aids face repair. So if you have sunburn, hyperpigmentations, and you're looking to repair it, amongst other things, you can use the Moon White face cream. It is very nice. This is a picture of it. I'll post a picture of it here. So Moon White face cream is very nice for hyperpigmentation, sunburn. It helps repair skin, even their body lotion too. It's mostly a repair product. It repairs the skin and brightens the skin and whitens the skin with time. Okay, you give it time and it works efficiently. It's one cream I know that you won't get any harsh reaction from it. No, it doesn't give any harsh reaction. It doesn't spoil or damage the skin. I love that particular cream and face cream. Moon White product is very nice. So if you can get the Moon White face cream, you get it. It is nice. The next face cream on my list is the Golden Face cream. I know some people say, golden face gave me redness. How did you use it? How did you use this? And do you have a sunscreen? I even had to say it before the beginning of this video. Before you watch this video, make sure that you have a sunscreen. Before you get any of these face creams, make sure you have a sunscreen so that you don't come up complaining that this particular face cream did this to me, did this to me. Get a sunscreen for your face. Yes, get a sunscreen for your face. And also, if your skin barrier is not in order, look to actually correct your skin barrier. Maybe use a ceramide serum, but make sure that you're correcting your skin barrier before using these face creams. They are nice, but make sure that your skin barrier is also intact or you are correcting it. So talking about this Golden face cream, I personally love it. I love it, and it's beginning to get some attraction. Yes, I know what I'm saying. Golden face is beginning to get a lot of attraction. People are beginning to love it a lot. I love this face cream. So far, the people that I know that use it, people close to me and people that have given some recommendations to use it, nobody has complained about it. I personally love Golden Face. It's a face cream that I used like a year ago and it was nice. It was nice while I was at it. I'm actually looking to use it again, but for now, it was nice. Golden Face is very nice. If you can get your hands on it, you get your hands on it. Golden Face is actually a nice face cream. The next on my list is the Face Smoothie face cream. It's not popular, but it is amazing. This is one of my best sellers. No. People always ask me of this face cream. It is very nice. Anywhere you're able to get it, get it. It's for people with caramel skin can use it. A dark skin that wants to just transition a bit to caramel skin can use it. A face cream that does not give you sunburn, does not give you redness, does not hurt your skin. Like this face cream is all in one. No, I love this particular face cream, the Face Smoothie. Please get your hands on it if you can. Face Smoothie is very amazing. Okay, this is a picture of it. Face Smoothie is an amazing face cream. You should get your hands on when you can. Use it and you thank me later. It will also help with your hyperpigmentation and dark spots. So I even feel like yes, it helps to curtail the pimples coming out on your face or acne. It actually aids to reduce them. Yes, face smoothie does that. It's a nice face cream. Get your hands on it. The next face cream on my list is the pure carrot. Remember that I'm doing just mild face creams. Yes, the pure carrot face cream is very nice. Hyperpigmentation, skin wrinkling, skin fine lines, dark spots, sunburn. Pure carrot is your girl. Either use the white one or use the orange one, but either of them, pure carrot is very nice. Yes, so wherever you can get pure carrot, get pure carrot. Pure carrot is a nice face cream, super efficient, cost friendly, active. It does what it says and more. Super pure carrot is a nice face cream. That is why it's on this list. You people know that I don't give you pure carrot is a nice face cream. The next face cream on my list is the Dr. Rachel Skin White Face Cream. Dr. Rachel is actually doing a thing with this face cream. I have to tell you guys, this face cream and the face serum are amazing. Dr. Rachel Skin White Face Cream, get your hands on it. Super amazing, cost friendly. But remember, have a sunscreen and thank me later. By the time you use a sunscreen during the day and use these products, they are very nice. Then the next and last face cream on my list is the parley face cream. That's the purple face cream, the parley. Yes, it is very nice. You heard it from me. It is very nice. This face cream sells out in minutes. If you go to supermarket, it's actually hard to see it because it sells out fast. People know about it and people are gatekeeping on it. But I'm here to open the gates. Don't worry, I'm here for you guys. The parley face cream is actually nice. The purple one is very nice. If you get your hands on it, use it. It's cost efficient and it's nice. So now guys, if you decide to use any of these face creams, please advise you to use a niacinamide serum during the day and use a sunscreen, and use this product only at night. If you know that you're going to be using an exfoliant or whatever, don't use it the day that you use this face cream. So that I'm just saying the safe ways to use it so that you don't damage your skin barrier while whitening your skin or brightening your skin or lightening your skin. Okay, don't exfoliate the day that you're going to use it. It's very nice, and use it only at night. Make sure that you always use your sunscreen when using this product and thank me later. So guys, if you have used any of these products, please kindly comment how it was on your skin, if you love it, if you have used it and now that you know how best to use it, if you use it again, let me know. I'm here for you. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification buttons. Let your friends know that Frida is here for you. It's Life of Frida, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you, bye, and God bless you. Mwah.